Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a moon theme journal, bullet journal. It was a much requested video, so I hope you'll enjoy watching it and will get an inspiration too. I have used all whole homemade supplies in this video. You can check the tutorial of these handmade supplies on my channel. It's really fun doing with homemade supplies like these are easily can be made at home with more expensive supplies. I really like the quote, consistency is better than intensity, so I took it out for this month and I wish to apply this in my life. You need to be daily consistent in your efforts because consistency can only lead you far. Like you are intense in one day, like you do a lot one day and then next day you don't feel like doing anything. So that doesn't really work. You need to be consistent in your daily effort. So I wish to apply that in my daily life, and it's really effective for long-term journey or goals. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any new video. Thank you for watching.